In this training, I'm going to show you how to reduce or resize images for free. So this is going to be a tutorial training about image resizing and taking big images, making them small, or small, making them big. So if you're on my channel, you know I talk about marketing and how to market your business. This is a tool you could definitely use in your marketing to do marketing with. So here's the reasons why you'd probably need to resize an image for your marketing. You could definitely use it for personal and business users. So if you're submitting any documents, right, your bank wants you to submit some documents, you're going to need to, take the image, whatever image you've captured, and either reduce it sometimes because it's just too big. It can't be uploaded. And you realize that when you try to upload it and it says the file is too big. You can also use it on marketing sites. So if you're trying to market something and you're trying to put these images in a template, the template might not accept it because the image is too big. So if you're trying to put it in your marketing site, on a website, if you're sending it through emails, if you want to upload the files from wherever you have it, it might say, you know what, this image is too big, and then you're not able to upload it to your email. The other reason is it increases your upload speed. The smaller that file is, it definitely goes quicker when it's being uploaded or quicker when it's being downloaded. So you definitely want to know how to reduce images for personal or business use. So this is a good skill to have. So in a nutshell, small images weigh less than larger ones, which becomes important when you're uploading things because it helps the process go faster and take up less storage room on your computer. So how do you reduce or resize images for free? I'm going to show you two softwares. So this is an image. You can see you could go from here to here and actually still maintain the crispness of the image. So I'm just going to show you a demonstration here. So I'm trying to create a website and I want to put an image in. So I got the image and I want to replace it. So I'm going to go to my browser and say, you know what, I have an idea for a different image that I want to use. So I'm going to go to my library here and try and upload the file from my computer. So I go to my image and let's say I want this image. So I go ahead and I click on it and open it and I want to upload it. And it says the file size is too big. Please reduce its size. So if you ever get a message like that, then it's good to know where you can actually do it and how you can do it. So let me take you to two spots that you could definitely do it. One spot is called simpleimageresizer.com. And it's a very simple site. It allows you to just upload your image right here. You can see it has a box that says select image from computer. I'd go ahead and select the image. I'd click on the image. I'll click open. And then you'll see it brings the image up. I don't know why it says fake path, but that's just a generic thing it gives it. And then it allows me to toggle between how small I want the image. So I can either do it by dimensions or percentage. So if I hit dimensions, you could set the width and the height of it. So if you want a 125 by 125, and sometimes those are the standard band sizes, say for a banner ad or something like that. So if you have that, you could put in the size. If you don't know the size, you're trying just to upload an image somewhere where they said the file is too big, you could just say maybe reduce it by 50%, hit the resize button, and you can see it's resized. It says image offer, it's resized, and it wants me to download it. So I'm going to click on that, and it opens a new window. You could right click on your computer and hit save image as. And when I do that, I'm going to put it back in this bucket and I'm going to hit save. You can see the files down here, and I'm just going to hit save. And when I hit save, it's going to open in the new file. So now I'll go back in that demonstration that I was showing you, and we're going to go ahead and try and upload that picture again. So I'm going to go to browser and choose the file again. And this one's at 50%. And I'm going to open it and upload it. And bingo. It actually liked that file, and I could actually open it now. And you can see I was able to put it in my web page here because now the file is compatible, put it in there. So that's one way you could do it. Another software that I'm going to leave below the link below, so you can definitely play around with it, is a different software called promo.com. Now this one's pretty neat. I want to take you to take a look at it. You could browse your computer and go get the file, and I'll open it. And once it opens the file, you can see what the dimensions of the file is, how big the file is. So that's a great perk. If you don't know how big your file is and you want to say, well, how big is this thing anyway? You can definitely use this tool and you can see what size it is. Then you could scale it down however you want it. So we could still do the 50% like I did before. And I can either download it or turn it into a video. Now, the neat thing is I like this feature that when you could turn into a video, you could actually send a link to someone. So just like I downloaded the other one, this one I'm just going to turn it into a video so you can see what it does. When you hit turn it into a video, it gets you to another portal where you're able to actually turn something into a video. And whatever your thing is, whatever photo you uploaded, it turns into a video that you could actually put some info on it. So I could put a text here. Say we said demo, and let's delete that so you know that I put that there. We're going to hit done, and the audio, you can see it has some audio files here you could put there. It wants me to choose an audio site. We don't do that. So I'm just going to do it right here. So you can actually go ahead and play with this, but this is really a cool feature that you could use a picture that you just resized and actually turn it into a video. So if you're doing any marketing, this would be an awesome marketing tool for you to say like create some videos, right? Without you doing anything, without you actually, being in the video at all. So I'm going to put another demo. Actually, I'm going to say join, and I'm going to say if you like this video, say like this video. So give me a like on this video if this information was some good stuff like this video. And if you want to get more training like this, I'm going to put subscribe the channel. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this video if you like trainings like this. I'm going to hit done and let's go play this video. So I'm going to play the video so you could hear it. So I played the video. It was really loud. So I actually have another video in here that I did the same thing with. I reduced a picture and then I made a video of it. And it was the same process that I just showed you. But so I'm going to show you the video that. So this is a video. All right, so that was the video I created by using the software of just going to the software, uploading my picture, and then it asked me if I wanted to resize it, and you could see we resized it, and then it asked us if we wanted to use it as a video, and I just used it as a video, and it comes with music by itself, and you can see I could edit it here too. So it comes with music. You could definitely import some music into it by just clicking a button. You get to choose what music you want. So a really cool software here. So actually, let's see. I'm going to show you there again. So that's really loud. So I'll turn the music up, but you can see it's really simple. Like this little saying right here, I can go in there and edit it and say you can do this too. That's done. You could do all kinds of things, put different things here in different texts, and you could put different pictures in here. There's all kinds of things at the other side over here you could see over here that you could insert media. So you don't need to be on camera. You could definitely just create pictures, upload it, and then the software will take you over here, and then you're able to make some cool videos that you could actually give to people. Now, here's the thing. You're not able to download these and say put them on YouTube, but you're definitely able to get a link that you could actually send to someone. So that is really cool. So if you're loving this, and I'll try and get another open here. If you like this information that I shared with you today, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this after you've used it. And actually, what would be pretty cool if you created any videos, definitely put the link below of the videos you've created on here by just messing around, so other people could take a look and see the creativity of how people are using this tool. So you could definitely subscribe to this channel if you love to get information like this, training videos showing you new things and fresh things to use for your marketing. I'm going to leave the links below of this software along with the other software. In addition, I'm going to leave information that if you're a marketer and definitely want to connect with me, this will be the best place to do it. There's a place called Cash Juice. I'm going to leave the link below. You can definitely, connect with me here, because what this does, it allows me to, in a sense, interact with you. And we could definitely have a conversation that if you need some help about marketing, I could get that for you. The neat thing about this platform as well is it allows you to do marketing. So it's for marketers. It was created for marketers, and it's a little different from Facebook. And that's what I love about it, is that it doesn't have the noise of Facebook. That marketers really come here and interact, get some super amazing tools and softwares that they could use for free. So if this interests you, you like information like that, subscribe to when I put out new things like this, you'll definitely get the information. But for now, if you want to connect with me, there'll be a link that will get you here. You can join the platform for free and definitely, send me messages, and we could definitely have a conversation where we're able to see all our information under one area. So all the links will be below. Thanks guys for checking this video out.